Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove credit card from Shopify. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify, and from here to remove our credit card is you want to go here into the settings. So click here on the bottom left, and from here you want to go into billing. And once you're here in billing, you would be able to see your current billing cycle and so on. And from here, what you want to do is basically you want to go here and click manage under the billing profile. So click on that. And from here, you should be seeing the payment methods. And if you have added a card into your store right here to pay for your bills, then you should be seeing it right here. And as you can see, I don't have one because I'm currently on just a free trial. But if you have credit card associated right here, then you should be seeing the three dots right here. And you want to click that, and then you would be able to delete or replace your card right here. But if for some reason you would want to just cancel the billing from certain apps, then what you can do is you can go here into the apps and sales channels, and then you want to select the app right here that you would want to stop getting billed from or stop using your credit card from. Then for example, this is the app, and then I want to go to this app right here, and you want to open the app, and from here you want to go into the subscription part right here, and then you just want to cancel the subscription here inside the app itself. And after you have canceled that, then you can go back into the apps and sales channels, and from here you can just uninstall the app right here. So that is the way if in any case that you just want to stop a billing from a certain app. You would need to deactivate the subscription inside the app first, because chances are if you didn't, then you would still get billed even if you have already uninstalled it from your Shopify store. So that is just a safe way to do it. And now let's say that you would want to 100% stop all the billings on your card from Shopify. Then what you can do is you can go here into the plan, and from here you can just click on the cancel your subscription right here or deactivate your store, so that in that way Shopify will no longer bill you for keeping your store up and your subscription right here. So you want to cancel the subscription, and then you want to deactivate your store. And make sure that before you do this is that you have already also deactivated or unsubscribed from your monthly payments from your apps right here if you have any. And in that way you would be 100% free from all the bills here in Shopify. So that is basically it on how you can do this. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.